Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage your pages and navigation in Squarespace 7.0. So if you've ever felt unsure about adding, deleting, or organizing pages on your Squarespace website, this tutorial is made just for you. By the end, you'll understand not only what to click, but how each choice affects the way your site looks and functions for your visitors. Let's jump right in. First, once you've logged into Squarespace, you'll want to click on your website in the dashboard. Then, over on the left-hand pane, select Pages. This is your command center for everything related to the pages on your site. You'll see a list of all your pages here, organized into sections: main navigation, footer navigation, and not linked pages. Just take a moment to look over that list, because understanding what goes where is key to building a site that's clear and easy to explore. Maybe you've got a couple of pages you no longer need, or you made a mistake during setup. No problem. Go ahead and hover over the page you want to delete, and you'll see a little trash bin icon. Click that, and Squarespace will prompt you to confirm. It's normal to feel a little hesitant about deleting a page, but don't worry. After you confirm, the page moves to the Deleted Pages section just below your main list. These aren't gone forever. In fact, Squarespace gives you 30 days to restore any deleted page, which is perfect if you realize you needed it after all, or just had second thoughts. Think of it like a safety net. If you're cleaning up and reorganizing, you won't lose anything permanently right away. Let's talk about navigation, because this is where you can really shape the visitor's experience. The main navigation area you see at the top of the list usually reflects the links in your website's header. Those are the pages visitors see and use to get around. If you want a page to be visible and accessible, make sure it's placed here. On the flip side, there's the Not Linked section. Any page you put here won't show up in your site's navigation menus, but they're still live on your site. You can link to them directly, or use them for landing pages, downloads, forms, whatever you'd like that doesn't need to be front and center. Ready to add a new page? Hit that little plus button. Squarespace will give you a variety of page types to choose from. Maybe you want a standard page, a blog, a store, or an album. Click the kind that fits your vision, and then pick from several layout options. Each layout is a starting point, almost like presets, so if you want something photo-heavy or you want a contact form, choose accordingly. Remember, you're never locked in. Once the page is created, you can add sections, move things around, drag in images or text, customize it to your heart's content. When you're happy with the basic look, don't forget to click into the page's settings. This is more important than most people realize. Here you'll find several tabs: General, Navigation, SEO, Social Image, and Advanced. Each one lets you control key details. For example, in the General tab, you can tweak the page's name or URL. In Navigation, decide if it's visible or hidden. SEO lets you add description and keywords that help search engines find your page. Social Image lets you set what picture appears when your page is shared on social media. A subtle touch, but very impactful. And for those who want custom code or tracking, the Advanced tab is where you can dig deeper. And that's it. The basics of managing your Squarespace pages and navigation. Take your time exploring these options. Don't worry if you're still finding your way around the menus. It gets easier, and mistakes are easy to fix. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your site.